Hi, I'm Siren, and this is the story of a long-time dream of owning a blue water boat to continue traveling the world in. I sold my house to buy a 1976 Tayana 37, a true gem of Taiwanese craftsmanship. Living aboard, I have Garrison, a sick pigeon that I rescued out of the water in Key West, and Sebastian from Home Depot. It hasn't been easy, and I've been lucky to have help along the way, but now I'm on my own. I've done repairs to the teak deck, I've replaced some rigging, and I've completed a lot of projects around the boat, but she still needs work, like new chain plates and all new rigging, and fixing the leaks in my deck fittings. It's been a masterpiece of misadventures so far, so hit that subscribe button and join me on this quest to find far-off lands, deep seas, and fun waves. Alright guys, today is the day I'm going to show you my tender.
A bunch of frozen pancakes. I don't know if we're allowed to be here, but it's one of those things where I was like, we'll just ask for forgiveness.
These knobs around this blow-up boat is really nerve-wracking.
I know.
Sam's Club brand cola.
Now we just need a little miniature bottle of champagne.
Oh yeah.
This is a much nicer dinghy than the other one.
And you doubted the little Yamaha.
2 5-pound bags of chicken legs.
Another day, and it's a windy one. And I don't think I've ever felt the boat rock this hard in this mooring field, ever. But I can't get any wind. There's like no wind. Like it's out there, it's not here. So I am going with the classic top knot today because this hair has got to get off me, you guys. I should just chop it off. Should get like a bob. I see why like hardcore like sailor chicks just want like the man cut. So I just got picked up by these guys and we are going to the storage unit and we're gonna get the tender out and we're gonna inflate it and I'm gonna put the old motor on it which died on me on the way to shore.
Hey.
Okay,
where are we going?
What's this chili? What chili?
Yeah, that's
Oh, Walmart Plus messed up the other day and they brought...
This is just another example of Lacey.
I was ordering stuff to make key lime pie and that's all it was just stuff to make some key lime pies for the boat club.
Can they send you chili?
They sent me, no, it was like all kinds of stuff. It was like those little jug drinks, you know, that the kids drink. A bunch of frozen pancakes, breakfast sausage, big old bag of tater tots, 2 of those cans of chili, 2 5-pound bags of chicken legs, Sam's Club brand cola. If we would have been some middle schoolers, we would have been hooked up. Whoever Walmart order I got, when they got my stuff for like 2 little key lime pies, was very, very upset. It looked like
we called Walmart and they said they can't take it back. They just have it for free. So.
Wow.
2 18-packs of eggs. This is a much nicer dinghy than the other one.
I kind of like it where it is. I don't see why we moved it.
Stop. Ready?
Yep.
Come on. That's about as good as we're going to get.
Well, we got to go further forward
Why?
because it's sitting on the top.
Oh, okay. All right.
But we're having to hold it up off the top this whole time. So.
Is that better?
Yeah, that might work.
Okay. Damn. I'm excited about the new dinghy.
Me too.
I'm not excited about inflating it.
It's going to be the slowest one in the world with that 6 horse, but we'll see. It's a dinghy.
Oh, dinghy, okay.
Thank you, sir. Hang on, let me get it back. All right, you all ready?
Yep. Woo! We were just going to sit it right over here.
I guess I can cut this.
I don't know what this is. I don't know if we cut it or
It doesn't, I mean, like I assume it's just holding the thing together, right?
Yeah.
those questionable things. Look how shiny! The dockmaster just walked by and saw us doing this. I don't know if we're allowed to be here, but it's one of those things where I was like, well, just ask for forgiveness.
These knobs around this blow-up boat is really nerve-wracking.
I know.
Santa comes in July too. Santa AB.
Yeah. Go for the gusto.
Yeah.
Exactly.
She was good for half the year. We'll see what comes at Christmas.
Wow. It's a metal seat.
Yeah, that's what it showed in the online. Voila.
New shiny bow line. Gift from Billy. Yay.
Now we just need a little miniature bottle of champagne.
Oh yeah. Is that it? I don't know.
I'll let you know in a sec. Yep.
That was it.
I saw some other ABs in the dinghy dock.
You're around since we can get the.
Yeah, get the motor.
Yeah.
Well, I've got some
Champagne bottles right there. Had a little something.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
said that.
Little something.
That's what I was trying
That's what
to.
we said.
Hey, at least a 12-pack of beers.
Yeah.
Bounce off.
Throw a water bottle at it, something.
Yeah.
You know.
Might have to be opened up more.
Yep.
Can I do? Oh, I think it's just the one. You can hold the motor. I'll let you do the final crank on it.
Oh, that's gonna make it.
That'll fit. We can
Really?
go ahead and run
Oh
the floor.
yeah. Oh, that's a lot longer than I expected.
Yeah. And you doubted the little Yamaha.
I'm not in gear. Alright guys, today is the day I'm going to show you my tender. It is the AB Inflatables Lamina 10AL and I've been using it for about a week and it is a huge improvement from the old one. The old one was 8.5 feet and it was a fiberglass bottom. This one is 10.5 feet and it is an aluminum bottom. So it's going to be lightweight and it's going to go on the davits. The davits need to be redone, but this is great. For its size, it's very lightweight. Let's go see it. Alright, so here we are in the tender. Sorry about the wind, guys. The tender is not exactly the way that I want it to be yet. I want to get some new life jackets. These are looking pretty ratty. And I want to get a pack and just leave them in the pack and leave the pack in here. So this inflatable is, I think, a 5.5 foot beam. That's your width. And it's 10.5 feet long. And it comes with this guy right here to inflate it, which is nice because if you ever want to add more air, you can, but we actually inflated it using an electric pump, which was very, very helpful. And I think that's probably what most people end up doing, but it does come with that if you have nothing else. And this is the bow locker, which comes with a really nice cushion. And this latch here allows it to come up. And in the bow locker, we put the gas tank. And I've got some safety equipment up there. Not everything I need. I need to put a little fire extinguisher in here. But for now, this is all right. And actually, this hose is meant to be ran. I don't know if you can see, but down there's a piece of tape with a little line on it. That's where you attach the hose, and you run the hose through the floor, and it comes out over there. This right here is where it'll come out. So, and then it'll just run up through this. And there's plenty of room, you know, for my bulb here to be out. I have to get it done. But yeah, for now, it's all right like this. Get that done soon. There's a 5-person maximum, and you can see it's the 10AL model, and it's rated for a 20 horsepower motor max, and I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna put on here, because when you start putting weight in these things, you want that extra horsepower, so that's what I'm shooting for. The motor has been a little bit iffy, but I don't know, the last few times I've started it, it started right up. Let's see what it does. And then we'll take a spin. You guys wanna go somewhere? We'll just cruise around. Oh, I added the extender handle, but the handle on this is broken. So, actually, let's see if we can fix that. Oh, there's another piece to this. And this thing extends like a pretty good ways. Now this didn't come with the boat, I ordered this separate. They're usually around $40 or $45. I found this one on Amazon for, I don't know, 15 or 20. Wasn't very much. And yeah, that's much better. So it only extends that far. It was a little longer when this was on there, but this is broken, so done with that. Cool. This allows me to sit on the seat, so if I'm not planing out properly, or if I don't have enough weight in the bow, then I can sit on the seat and try to move some weight forward and still operate the boat like this. It's not perfect, but you know, let's see what this does. To baby it sometimes, like if I push the choke in too fast, or you know, I don't give it enough gas while it's getting going. It's like very. It sounds good though today. Yeah, it sounds good. I'm gonna untie and we'll go for a ride. I always make sure that this line here is pulled tight over the bow. I don't want that getting caught in my prop. I don't know if you can see that in the background, but the pump out boat came as soon as I left to pump out my boat. There's free pump outs here in Key West. That's one of the big perks about being here, I guess. I mean, no one was pumping out their boat, and the city decided that they would just be free and everybody would get free pump outs on Tuesdays. So that's what happens now. It's actually pretty rough to be trying to do this. The camera is just like falling over. So I'm gonna just get out of the mooring field actually and bring her up to speed and let you see what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna open her up. Oh no, she's not opened up. The handle's turning. This is the problem with the handles. Sometimes the handle turns. Even though it's locked, it's not locked great. And the bow up a little bit. It's starting to plane out. There you go. Coming down. Even with a 6-horse, it's alright, you know? It can be a little hard to do this in film. I'm out in a wide open space, so it's not, there's no like danger. A boat went by a minute ago, but yeah, I'm not doing anything unsafe, guys, but it's just hard. It's cumbersome, you know? The bow sits real high when it's this low. tightened down that handle and I just went to give it speed and I untightened it again. So this handle is gonna need some work. I'm going back to an idle because within 100 feet of a mooring field is a no-wake zone. So if you're one of those boats that likes to just cruise through the mooring field at full speed, please don't be. It's illegal. Because when you're in a mooring field, you pay money to be able to have that peace of mind that there's not going to be like significant wakes come through, so that you can do like the projects that you're trying to do or make meals or whatever it is. And that's the whole reason for being on a mooring ball. A lot of advantages to being on mooring balls. But if someone's coming by and throwing a big wake at your boat, then you're losing that advantage and you pay for that. So let's go see this boat I like. Alright, now let's go see this other boat I like. I think I'm just gonna get off right here. Anyway, that's her, and she's gonna need a new name. You know, when I was living on a boat in my late teens, and you know, even after I got my first sailboat when I was, I don't know, 19 or 20 or whatever it was, I always said that, you know, when I got like the boat, I would name the tender Sea Grape. Sea grape. Those are, it's a plant that we have on the beaches here in Florida. But I was envisioning something like more traditional, not an inflatable and this and that, but I have an inflatable and there's a reason for that, because they are the most practical and it will handle seas, it will go anywhere I need it to go. They're very, very strong. So for anyone out there who thinks like inflatables are inflatable, like you can pop them and puncture them, well, they are extremely durable and it's difficult to do that. So yeah, they are the right tool for the job, and there's a reason that so many cruisers use them. But I don't know if I want to name this one the Sea Grape. I'm not sure. So if you got any name ideas, spit them out. Let me know in the comments. What should I name this little guy? It's the AB Inflatables Lamina 10AL. So I don't know if there's like a name that could play on that. I have no idea. But I'm gonna have to think about it. So that concludes this week, you guys. I've got a lot of work to do around this boat, and you're about to see more of it soon. So sorry about the wind and sorry about the filming. It's very, very difficult to do what I just did in film. The camera was falling and I can't break this thing, so yeah, my suction cup mounts won't suction to those that foamy stuff, which I don't know, maybe I should rig something there so I can always film in the dinghy for you guys. I don't know. So alright, I will see you guys next week. Bye.